if you're experiencing login failures on your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to gaming smoothly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure your PS5 is connected to the internet. Go to Settings, then Network, and select Test Internet Connection. If there are issues, restart your router or connect via a wired connection. Step 2. Verify account credentials. Double-check your PlayStation Network PSN account credentials. Make sure you are entering the correct email and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Step 3. Update system software. Make sure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, then System, and select System Software. Choose System Software Updates and Settings to check for updates and install if necessary. Step 4. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help resolve login issues. Turn off your PS5 completely, then press and hold the power button until you hear a second beep. This will boot the console in safe mode. Select the option to clear cache and rebuild database. Step 5. Contact PlayStation support. If you are still experiencing login failures after trying the above steps, reach out to PlayStation support for further assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues and enjoy your PlayStation 5 without interruptions. Happy gaming!